Third video in which I'm not showing my face because, well, I have some changes to do in this room. But hello everyone and welcome to this video. Here I have a Nokia 5210. Well, the body shell is completely wrecked, destroyed, horrible. But the phone is fully functional and it doesn't look bad at all, but I'm going to disassemble and clean it. I have here a battery and a SIM card for it. And I have this body shell from a swap phone, but that I want to adapt to it. And well, all the rubber, it's intact. That's a blessing. I will clean the body shell. And well, the so-called D-pad, it's, well, not cracked, it's actually shattered. And I disassembled some of the broken body shells that I have and took the buttons. So first thing I'm gonna do, it's also disassemble this one and try to take out the buttons. Oh, it's opening like this, like I don't want it. So yeah, let's start with this because I have to glue it back then. Okay, snapping good. The buttons, and not only is shattered, it's also the paint off of it. Right. I can put it under the buttons and push like this. Come on, one corner left. Yes. In one piece, baby, and I can also clean it now. And this is in pieces. Right, this part is to be cleaned with the buttons as well. Top part as well. That's enough of the body shell. How many times it rhymed, I don't know. Now to disassemble the phone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, screws. This phone has a built-in thermometer, which is nice. And you won't believe how many talk towers it has. Well, you will believe after you see it at the end of the video. Golden screws, baby. Basically, I think I could have taken it out with these screws as well, but I'm taking everything out. Everything has to go. Now I'm pulling it up. There's that type of a display with connectors here. Even better. Well, time to take the display out of its casing. This is the so-called resonator for the speaker here. Okay. Here's the earpiece. Yeah, the display is glued on this plastic frame. I'm not going to disassemble it because it's not that dusty. I'm gonna just give it a little clean and that will be it. Now for the main board. Ooh. Interesting. Here's the main board. I'm guessing this is an infrared and I don't know what that is, an antenna. Oh, it also has an internal battery. Nice. Has the volume buttons intact and the power button. Perfect. These things just fell by themselves. The charging port and I'm guessing the audio, somewhat audio jack. This is adapted from the 3310. See? Like for the SIM, you know. This is the vibration motor or the vibrator, how some of us like to call it. Right, here's the microphone. There we go. to remove this part, I just have to push all the pins at once, I'm guessing. Yeah, something like that. One left. There you go. It's out. The pins to the battery. Here are the clamps for the Nokia cover. Easy, I don't want to damage them. Well, I didn't want to damage them, but I actually snapped one. Okay. You need to push it here. There we go. This is one. Now I need to take the SIM card cover off. There you go. Now this thing will just come out as it is. These other two are just in place here. These are easy removable, you know, just push them up and they come out. But there is no need for that. Like I said, the body shell is not that dirty. Well, I'll get to clean it and be right back. Alright, I've cleaned it and time to put it back together. Like a big happy family, who am I kidding? Alright. Okay. Okay, the phone is done. Now this guy. This body shell had like rivets that came from the inside to this one, and now that they are all snapped, have to find a way to put everything back with, and also maybe glue them without damaging anything else. Oh, okay, it went in just fine. Good. That's a good thing. A very, very good thing. The fact that I didn't need any glue. I remember seeing the commercials for this phone when I was a kid. They looked so awesome. Nice. The all is on display. Of course, animated menu, baby. I wanna go directly to extras and thermometer. 27 degrees Celsius, eh? By the way, "15 talk hours and 43 minutes. Awesome. And there's that type of phone that I have to turn it off and on again to get out of the menu. Into pinball. I don't know how to move those. Well, this is the refurbished video of the Nokia 5210. More of a cleanup video on changing the buttons on it. If you also have buttons problem and want to take some from another body shell, be careful when you disassemble this one like mine, because it can easily snap. So you have to take it nice and slow on the margins, here, and then in the corners. You can push through the back of the rubber buttons. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, and I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself. All the best. Bye bye.